Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the best line output converter for amplifiers on the market, the AudioControl LC2i Pro. If you're looking to add an amplifier to your car audio system, the LC2i Pro is an absolute must-have. This innovative two-channel line output converter not only makes installation a breeze but also delivers top-tier audio performance, even from factory systems. Let's take a closer look at what makes this device so special and why it's a game-changer for anyone upgrading their car audio setup. The AudioControl LC2i Pro is designed to seamlessly integrate an aftermarket amplifier into a factory system. It features two channels of active speaker-level inputs, handling up to 40 volts or 400 watts of RMS power, which is a significant boost compared to the standard passive units out there. This means you get full control over your amplifier, without worrying about the limitations of your factory stereo. One of the standout features of the LC2i Pro is its ACU bass processing. This smart technology corrects bass roll-off that often occurs in factory sound systems, ensuring that your bass frequencies come through strong and clear, even if your stock system doesn't have the punch you're after. Whether you're listening to deep bass beats or sharp guitar riffs, this converter ensures your audio maintains its full, rich sound profile. Another key feature is the built-in GTO, Great Turn-On, signal sensing technology. This automatically detects when your system is powered on, eliminating the need for an additional remote turn-on wire. It's the type of feature that simplifies the installation process, saving you time and effort. The LC2i Pro also offers multiple trigger mode options, including GTO signal sense, audio, and remote in, giving you complete flexibility for your setup. On top of that, the LC2i Pro comes with load select switches, making it compatible with virtually any factory system, whether you're working with low impedance or high impedance signals. This makes it incredibly versatile for different vehicle types and audio configurations. If you're concerned about the installation process, don't be. Its compact chassis design ensures a discreet fit in almost any vehicle. And the included dash-mount ACR1 remote subwoofer control lets you fine-tune the bass levels without ever having to leave your seat. This device is more than just a simple line output converter. It's a powerful tool for improving the sound quality and bass response of your car audio system. Thanks to its carefully engineered active circuitry, the LC2i Pro provides superior audio clarity and enhanced bass performance without compromising sound quality. It's the ideal solution for those who want a seamless, high-quality sound experience without the headache of complex wiring and setup. In conclusion, the AudioControl LC2i Pro is truly the best line output converter for amplifiers available today. It combines advanced features like ACU bass, GTO signal sensing, and easy installation, making it the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their car audio system. Whether you're a first-time installer or a seasoned pro, this device simplifies the process while delivering exceptional sound quality. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the best tech and gear out there.